Hey guys, I'm Sebastian Lanes. Today I'm here at Walker's Vintage and we'll be talking about two rock amps. So the one in question is the Classic Reverb Signature. This amp served as the inspiration for the John Mayer Signature amp. And as you can imagine by now, it just sounds so good. It's an incredible amp. This revision has some really cool new features, such as a 3-way gain switch that allows you to go from more of a blackface feel to something a bit more modern. You also have a 3-way foot switch that allows you to engage the FET drive circuit, as well as a bypass to the EQ, which gives you more volume and gain, and an on and off reverb button. The amp comes in 100 watts, but you can turn it down to 50. I personally love it on 100. I feel like it has a lot more punch and dynamics, which is a feature common on all the tour up lineups. So enough said, the amp just sounds absolutely amazing. I really encourage you all to come down here and check them out. I'm Sebastian Lanes, and I'll see you next time.